Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering parts and making power and signal connections. First, mount the GPS and antenna where it sees the sky, then wire VCC and G&D to the regulator. Once done, connect TX/RX lines between GPS and your microcontroller using a level shifter if voltages differ. Make sure the GSM modem shares a stable 5V source and that the SIM is active. You now have the basic hardware connected and powered, ready to read enemy sentences. You now program the control code, install a GPS parsing library, and test that you receive valid coordinates. Next, implement the GSM client and configure APN settings. Open a TCP or HTTP connection to your server or use MQTT for efficient telemetry. Once connected, format each reading with timestamp, latitude, longitude, speed, and battery percentage. Compress or send only deltas to save data. Also add retry logic, backoff, and you finish by installing everything into a compact, weatherproof case and routing the antenna outside the enclosure for reliable fixes. Once enclosed, test the tracker over day and night cycles to observe cell handoffs and battery usage. Adjust fix interval and sleep to balance accuracy and runtime. Make sure OTA updates and a watchdog are active so you can recover remote devices. If something goes wrong, enable serial or SD logging to capture boot messages and network errors for targeted debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.